Do you want insider real estate investing training videos for free? Throughout this video, click the challenge button to subscribe to my free 30-day video series, How I Close Nearly a Deal a Day. Hey, Peter Vekselman. So today I want to teach you a really cool concept that I bet even if you're in this business, to whether you're just getting started or been successful, you may have not actually even thought about. So let me tell you kind of the whole thing about being really rich and what really rich people do. You know that really rich people make money on everything they do? I mean, sometimes if you walk into like multi-millionaire's house, you see these unbelievable paintings hanging there. And you think, gosh, these guys are spending millions and millions of dollars. Well, here's the interesting thing. A really rich person buys this unbelievable multi-million-dollar painting, and he's enjoying it while they got it, and guess what? Then when they don't want it anymore, they sell it and they make more money on it. See, the reality is, rich people make money on almost everything they have and everything they do because they understand how to be successful and how to take advantage of things that successful people take advantage of. In this business, you could do the same thing. So many times I talk to people in this business, it almost seems like you have to motivate them to be successful. Now watch this. I'm going to show you how one thing you can learn in this business that could propel you into these rich people's worlds. If you understand the art of acquisition, if you understand the art of marketing, negotiating, all these things that come with finding good deals. Now, I know that's the crux of the business. That's kind of the heartbeat of this business. But if you really invest your time, your effort, and energy in, you could literally live for free in multi-million-dollar estates. The concept's very simple. Here's what we do here. Here I'm doing upwards 5-10 deals on a weekly basis, week in and week out. And guess what? Every single one of those deals has a profit margin. Now, we have a sweet spot here. Like, for instance, in Atlanta, our sweet spot, it tends to be under $100,000 properties. When I'm buying and doing deals, let's say in other parts of the United, like in Florida, our sweet spot is actually over $100,000. But again, every single deal that we find here has a profit margin in there, okay? So think about this. You really get good at marketing, good at negotiating, get good at deals, putting deals together. People are thinking, well, I'm gonna buy in this neighborhood because this neighborhood prices are going up. Guess what? When you could find a good deal, it is absolutely irrelevant whether the price goes up or goes down. Let me give you an example. You got a $100,000 home, right? So if you're buying that $100,000 home with the hope of it appreciating, well, you better hope it appreciates, right? So you buy it for $100,000, you live there for 5-10 years, let's say it appreciates to $120,000, you make yourself a couple $1,000s and you think you're a super wonder. What if that $100,000 home goes down to like $90,000 or $80,000? Well, guess what? If you got that $100,000 home and you got it for $40,000 or $30,000, the way we know how to do it here all day long, does it matter if it actually goes down? No. So now you take that $100,000 home, you live there for a couple years, whether it goes up by $5,000 or $10,000 or goes down, guess what? When you sell it, you're going to make money on it. Now let's really blow this out to a credible lifestyle. You know how to do acquisitions, you know how to negotiate, you know how to put deals together. Now you put together a $2 million deal and you find that property for $1.3 million. Nothing extra out of the ordinary, something that investors like myself and other successful investors can do all day long. Now you got that $2 million deal, you got it for $1.3 million. You move in there, you live there for a couple years, and it's incredible. At that point, it's an estate. It's not just a house. And guess what? You live there, you enjoy it, you have an incredible lifestyle, and then you sell it a couple years later, and you sell it for, let's say, $1.8, $1.9 million. Pretty unbelievable. See, think about that concept. You could literally in this business utilize the tools of this business and create an incredible lifestyle for yourself, and a lifestyle that literally can pay for itself. So don't ever forget that. This is an incredible business that not only do you make money inside the business, you have the ability to make money for you and create an incredible lifestyle to go with the business, a free lifestyle at that, a lifestyle that'll actually pay you money. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in the Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.